Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to download and sign up to your Instagram account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet. You can easily use your App Store to download Instagram in your iOS device and use your Play Store to download Instagram in your Android phone. Now let's get straight into the video. Open your Instagram app. If you don't know much about Instagram, Instagram is an free online photo sharing application and social network platform that is used worldwide. Now, I will be teaching you how to sign up to Instagram. You have to tap on create new account on that blue icon. Now you have to use your phone number or email to sign up to Instagram. Here I will be using my email. Now you have to enter your email here. Now tap on next. Now go and check your Gmail. Here I will be opening my Gmail app. I will be refreshing it. At the top you can see that Instagram has sent me the code. I have to enter that code. Now you have to tap on next. Now you have to enter your full name here. After you are done, tap on next. Now you have to choose password for your Instagram account. Tap on next after you are done. Now you have to add your birthday. After you are done, tap on next. Now you have to create username for your Instagram account. After you are done, tap on next. Tap on sign up on that blue icon. Wait for a few seconds. It is in the process to be signed up. Tap on dismiss as I am having some internet problem. I will be tapping on sign up again. If you want to connect to Facebook, you can tap on connect to Facebook. For now, I will be skipping this process. Tap on skip. Tap on skip. You can add a photo, but for now I will be skipping this process. Tap on next, which is given at the top right corner. For now I will be skipping this process. Tap on don't allow. Tap on continue. For now I will be tapping on don't allow. You can see that I have easily signed up to my Instagram account. In this way you can download and sign up to Instagram account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.